If you missed the Hyperliquid airdrop, you probably saw people online bragging about free tokens worth thousands of dollars. And honestly, I think it's just the beginning. Hyperliquid still has a massive pool of rewards left, and if you play it right, you could be part of the next wave. Welcome back to Captain Altcoin. Today, I'm talking about how to farm Hyperliquid airdrops. As always, this is not financial advice. I am just sharing my research and my opinion. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. Now, let's start with the basics. Farming an airdrop simply means using the platform in ways that increase your chance of getting rewarded later. In my opinion, Hyperliquid is unique because it's a trading-first blockchain. That means one of the easiest ways to farm is just by trading, spot or perpetuals. It doesn't matter. Every trade you make could boost your chances. I think this is why so many traders are calling it the on-chain Binance. Another way is staking. If you already have Hype tokens, staking them reduces your fees and also gives you more weight in their reward system. I personally see staking as a signal that you're committed to the ecosystem, and projects love rewarding loyal users. Next, I want to mention the EVM apps on Hyperliquid. There's lending, stablecoin minting, liquidity pools. All of these dApps are tied into the point system. I believe using them regularly, not just once, is a smart move. You don't need huge amounts either. Even small deposits, if they're consistent, can put you on the map for Season 2 rewards. Now let's talk about what's active and what's coming up. Season 1 is already done. That was the giant airdrop you probably heard about. But the real alpha is Season 2. Hyperliquid set aside almost 40% of its supply for community rewards. And right now people are farming by trading, staking, and exploring the ecosystem. Let me share with you all the projects on Hyperliquid where you can start farming points. I'll give you a quick rundown of each one so you can see how wide the ecosystem has grown. Hypio, an NFT validator project where holding a Hypio baby earns you points over time and opens door to multiple ecosystem airdrops. KittenSwap, a DEX with fast growth where early liquidity providers are rewarded. Owning a Mecha Cats NFT gives you bonus multipliers on your points. HyperSwap, another decentralized exchange with minimal slippage. Just swap as you normally would and your activity counts toward points. Hyperunit, a spot BTC market inside Hyperliquid. It lets you rotate a part of your portfolio into Bitcoin exposure and keep activity flowing. Harmonix, a yield optimizer offering delta-neutral vaults. It rewards you for depositing Hype while minimizing exposure in volatile markets. HyperFi, a lending platform where you can borrow USDXL against Hype or loop your positions for higher exposure and more farming points. Kinetic, a liquid staking project coming soon. You'll be able to mint key Hype, borrow against it, and stake to unlock fee tier benefits. Hyperdrive, a yield optimizer with different markets including meme exposure, giving you multiple strategies to test. Hyperflash, a liquid staking and MEV platform where early stakers can earn extra rewards with zero commissions. TradFi, a professional algo trading platform that works on any device. By running automated strategies here, you farm points passively. TimeSwap, a lending protocol where you can retain exposure to blue chips like Buddy and Hype while earning time rewards. Laminar, a clean UI platform where you can deposit tokens like Buddy, Hype, or FEUSD into pools to farm yields and earn points. Valentis Labs, a DEX built for ST Hype. It provides automated market makings and lets assets earn extra yield. Sentiment, a lending app where you can borrow and lend Hype. It even lets you use perpetual positions as collateral. Staked Hype. Stake Hype here to receive WST Hype, which can be used across the ecosystem as collateral and to boost your farming loops. Neko, an AI agent project building the first DeFi swarm on Hyperliquid. You can already sign up for their private private beta. Drip Trade, a native NFT marketplace and launchpad where most Hyperliquid NFTs are listed. Trading NFTs here also farms points. Felix Protocol, a stablecoin app where you mint FEUSD by looping Hype and then use it in pools to generate yield. Hyperland, a friendly fork of Aave where you can borrow and lend Hype or ST Hype. Demand is huge, so vaults often fill in minutes. HL names, Hyperliquid's name and service. You can register HL domains and auction them for others to buy. Net Protocol, an NFT secondary marketplace for projects not launched on Drip, creating trading and arbitrage opportunities. Looped Hype, a leveraged staking platform that lets you loop Hype for higher APY. Early adopters qualify for extra rewards. Lootbase, a mobile app that gives Hypio holders special airdrops and early access to Hyperliquid trading. Hyperlauncher AI, a launchpad powered by AI and bots that automate strategies and support new token launches. Gigabrain GG, an AI trading tool with an autopilot trader and its own token Brain for premium features. Dexari, a mobile app for trading on Hyperliquid, currently live on iOS, letting you farm points on the go. Hybridge, a bridge that connects Hyper EVM to over 30 blockchains, making it easier to onboard funds and farm activity points. Hyperstable, Hyperliquid's own stablecoin pegged to US dollar, designed for use in ecosystem DeFi apps. In Silico Terminal, a pro-level trading terminal where you can run multiple orders and strategies for advanced farming. Hyperdash, a fund of funds platform that builds portfolios across multiple traders on Hyperliquid. Hyperfly, a mobile and AI tool that automates your trades, strategies, and news-driven execution in one place. Slate, an AI agent that reads news feeds and places trades instantly, helping you catch moves while farming. Hyperbeat, a validator and ecosystem fund that deploys capital into Hyperliquid projects while rewarding users with hearts. Keiko Finance, a stablecoin protocol where you mint K and supply to markets. Weekly points are rewarded for active use. Perpflow, a delta-neutral trading app that automates funding rate strategies to farm yield. D2 Finance, a derivatives fund offering automated strategies with more than 20% APR potential on Hype. Genesee, the first play-to-earn game on Hyperliquid, already letting users claim early testnet rewards. Mizu Labs, a liquidity layer that aggregates vaults for USD, ETH, and BTC, connecting over a dozen partner protocols. Alright, that's the ecosystem. As you can see, Hyperliquid has built much more than just a trading engine. It's a full DeFi playground where almost everything you do adds to your airdrop profile. How do you approach this? My tip is simple: be consistent. In my opinion, doing a few trades every week is better than spamming hundreds in one day. Also, try a mix of activities: a little trading, a little staking, maybe mint a stablecoin or provide liquidity. And don't forget referrals if you trade enough volume, because that can multiply your score. To wrap this up, I think Hyperliquid is one of the most exciting airdrop farms in crypto right now. It rewards real usage, not just one-time wallets, and there's still a massive chunk of tokens left to be claimed. If you're serious about farming, now is the time to get active. Thanks for watching Captain Altcoin. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with what you're farming right now. See you in the next one.